Yo, what is going on? Good morning. This is Andrew, known as Zerodrawdrew, Pip Catcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated to put this shit out every day, baby. So let's get into it. GBPUSD, as you can see, we are still bearish on the long term on the daily chart. As you can see, we had this bullish candle that kind of retested those highs. I still think that price wants to push above that 550 high, but I do think that sellers do need to be exhausted before that happens. So right now we are reading downside. If we look at what happened overnight, buyers' liquidity was grabbed above that trend line. We have bull traps there. We have bull traps here. Right now we're approaching that seller liquidity level right now, right? So right now, looking at this overall, we are bearish due to this bull trap that happened on the 1 hour chart. As you can see, we had this wick. We took out that wick, but now we're at that seller liquidity level, right? So if we wanted to short this trade, we would need buyers' liquidity first before that would happen, right? So all buyer liquidity pretty much is above the retest of this drop, which is at this 400 resistance on the hourly chart, right? So we're going to look for that level right here on the hourly chart, which is there. So we could see potential bull traps to this level right here. So I do want to see, bulls get trapped up there, maybe even up here. Even up here, there is a strong gap. All seller liquidity is below this level right here. So if we drop below this level, we're going to look for bear traps to this level to trade towards that 400, and then look for bull traps up from that level back down to the overall lows, because all sellers liquidity overall is down here. So there's a possibility that we do drop down there, but we do need to wait for the bull trap first before we get that move. So we'll be back. It's 9 o'clock right now. We'll be back in about 15 minutes when we have a little bit more price action, and then we'll be able to make the decision. Let's go. Alright guys, seller liquidity is grabbed. We're going to smash this buy right now up to this U resistance first, then up to that 400 level. Let's go. Alright guys, we're going to secure the bag right now. Take profits smashed. That's how you do it. It's going to be a good day. We'll be back tomorrow. Let's go. Make sure you like this, subscribe, keep us motivated. Put this shit out. Let's go.